In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an employee report in QuickBooks. Whether you're an office manager, HR professional, or a business owner, knowing how to efficiently generate and print these reports is a crucial skill. We'll take you through the process step by step so you can navigate it with ease. To start, make sure you're logged into QuickBooks. It's important to ensure you're using the correct credentials to access the right account, especially if you're working with sensitive employee information. Once you're logged in, focus your attention on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a section labeled Employees. Click on that, and it will display a comprehensive list of all current staff profiles. This section is invaluable for overseeing employee details and managing various HR tasks efficiently. Next, find and click on the employee profile for which you need a report. Navigating to the specific profile is straightforward, and QuickBooks ensures that individual details are organized and easy to find. Now, within the employee's profile, look for a button labeled Actions. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options regarding actions you can take for this particular employee. In this menu, you'll choose Run Report. This option takes you to the report section specific to your selected employee. QuickBooks excels in organizing these reports, making sure that all the essential details are easily accessible for review. With the employee report now open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll notice a small printer icon. Clicking this icon will open up the print preview page. This is a crucial step as it allows you to verify exactly what the printed document will look like. Take a moment to check that all details, including any important headers or footers, appear correctly on the preview. Once you've confirmed that everything looks just right, go ahead and click on the Print button. This will send your report to the printer. A quick tip: it's always wise to ensure your printer is loaded with paper and is functioning correctly before initiating the print command to avoid any last-minute issues. And there you have it. You've successfully generated and printed an employee report in QuickBooks Online. By following these straightforward steps, accessing detailed employee reports becomes an effortless task, greatly streamlining your payroll and HR processes. Thanks for tuning in, and I truly hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help and would love to hear from you.